What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use S Pen as camera remote in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on S Pen and then click on air actions. Now first of all, turn on the air actions button and after that scroll down and click on press and hold pen button, and from here select camera, and after that go back and scroll down and in apps actions section click on camera. Now from here you can learn the gestures of S Pen to control the camera. So you can single press the S Pen button to take picture or record video. You can double press to switch cameras, and you can move up or down the S Pen to switch cameras. Now you can press on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now press and hold the S Pen button and it will open the camera app. So you can see I have opened camera without touching the screen. Now to take picture, just simply click on this S Pen button and then it will take the picture. Now to switch camera, swipe up so that's how you can switch cameras. And to switch modes, you can swipe right or swipe left. Now in video mode, single press the S Pen button to start recording and then again single press the S Pen button to stop recording. So that's how you can use the S Pen as camera remote in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.